Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. In this video, I'm going to do a quick wash day with Islah, just to kind of see for myself actually what I do to her hair. And if you guys want to give me some tips, please give me some tips on helping me wash her hair. And I wash it in a sink because it's easier on my back, and it's just an easy way to do it. Right now, I'm just going ahead and wet her hair with some cool water, not really hot, like lukewarm. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and add some shampoo to her hair and kind of make sure it gets throughout her hair. As you can tell, she really hates getting her hair washed. She just does not like it, so she's kind of fighting me throughout the whole video. I'm going ahead and give it a second wash because she was actually playing in some sand at the park the other day, and just want to make sure all of that is out her hair. I'm putting some moisturizer or conditioner, again, Shea Moisture conditioner in her hair at this point. I'm actually allowing her to help me because this kind of calms her down and she feels like she's helping out. I'm going ahead and combing some of the conditioner throughout the hair. Please send me some conditioners that's really good for extremely dry hair. I'm just trying to get her hair healthy, really. adding some heat. I don't have a sit under dryer. I think I should invest in one of those. But I'm at this point just going to hold the blow dryer over for about 2 to 3 minutes just to kind of put it in. I don't do this really long. I don't know if I should or should not. I'm actually using cool water, more cold water in this process because I think my hairdresser told me to actually use cool water when you're washing the conditioner out. Let me. Okay.
Yeah.
Did that hurt?
No.
So why are you crying? Why are you crying? But why are you crying? It don't hurt, right?
No.
All right. I find blow drying her hair out helps me when I'm trying to braid her hair. I'm not sure of the style just yet, but I want to braid some parts of it.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.